What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at a flashlight by ReyLight. This is the LAN in titanium. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so let's get this bad boy open. We got some extra O-rings. Okay, let's just stick those back in there. Oh yeah, okay, this is nice, very nice. So we have full raw titanium, orange peel inside. The emitter is a Nichia 219B, 4500K. And there we go, there goes the little doodad there. I do believe that this is, I guess, yeah, standard 14500 battery, and this flashlight will also take just a standard AA flashlight. I really do like when flashlights can take a standard battery too, so very cool. Okay, so you got hard click and then half presses to go through your modes. I do believe this is, I do believe it's 450 lumens on a 1400 and 500 battery. I think it's a little less with the with just a standard AA. You got a bunch of tritium slots. All these little holes right here are tritium slots. They'll go sliding all the way down in there. Plus you can put a tritium slot right there on the button. And you can also put tritium slots in some of these up here too. And ReyLight will do that for you at the factory if you decide you want those with a little extra cost. So very, very nice, very clean. And surprisingly, the only logo is just right there on the pocket clip. That's it. Doesn't say ReyLight anywhere else, which is kind of surprising. And actually really pretty nice too, to kind of be a little more billboard free. It's a nice size, fits pretty good in my medium thin hand, and very easy to operate too. Goes, and you can program it. There's, you can go through the process of programming it if you need more modes and stuff like that. It will, like right now it doesn't have SOS, but you can program SOS. Why you want any of that stuff? I like just a simple, have that nice, very low mode, and then just some of the high modes. So when you really need some light, you can get what you need and just be done with it. I don't need a lot of fancy settings, and this is just really a very clean, nice flashlight. And like I said, being able to take a standard AA battery, very, very nice to have too. Sits pretty deep in the pocket, and that pocket clip definitely looks like it's going to hold very nicely. So there you guys go. That is the ReyLight LAN, and it will tail stand too. We will catch you next time, guys. Have a great day.